today. I hope you guys are having a lovely day. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to click that subscribe button. It is just below. And if you're ready to come back, hello, welcome back today. So today I am kind of carrying on from the video from the day before. Fingers crossed. It's basically kind of brand / product appreciation. So basically it's Revolution I'm doing this week, and talking about products that I'm really happy I have from them, that really work and that I pick up constantly. Sometimes not all the time, but they are definitely products that I reach for now and then. So let's just get into day 2 of brand / product appreciation. I don't know. So that is, I was going to say highlighters. Nope. That is, no, I just can't talk. So that is eyeshadow, and basically I love the products that Revolution comes out with from eyeshadow. My favourite I think has to be this one because I love the colours. This is I Heart Chocolate Rose Gold. Really can't talk today, guys, I'm so sorry. Really love the shades in here, and they work perfectly, and I just keep reaching for it because it's one of my favourite palettes. However, they do some other great palettes. They do collabs with creators. So this is Soph's Extra Spice palette. Really love this palette too. This is one that I definitely reach for. I think it's the formulas that they do. They last really long. Okay, we just carry on. Like last a long time, and they blend so well, and they just work really well, and that's one reason why I go for Revolution eyeshadow palettes, because they work so well and they are affordable eyeshadow palettes. So let's just not jump into the video because I've already said that. Let's just show you a eyeshadow look with this palette. Really having a bad day. This eyeshadow palette to kind of show you what looks I kind of make with it, but I'm just excited to play with it. Really, it's just makes me so excited. So I'm going to scoot you guys in. So it feels like forever I haven't worn eyeshadow or makeup because I've just been super busy with work, and makeup has kind of taken a step back, which is super sad. So I've just gone, oh, maybe that's what, this shade here, I will link them all below, and this is just going to go in my crease. God, they scare me. If you heard that noise, that is squirrels running on our conservatory roof. It scares me all the time. I'm like, is that someone trying to break in? No, it's just freaking squirrels running. Okay, next I'm going into a dark shade. I'm going to again just build this up in my crease, but the lower part of my crease. So now I'm going into that colour. I really like this one. This is going mostly over my eyelid. I'm kind of just doing more of a subtle, well, I'm going to say subtle eyeshadow look, but it always changes last minute because I'm never sure. And that's what I love about these palettes. All of the shades kind of work really well together, so you can make any eyeshadow look, which I absolutely love. Okay, well, I said simple, but I'm not. I'm going to go over the top of it with maybe this one, using my finger. This is the great thing, like, you can just use your finger for these. And now, because I want more glitter, I'm going to go into this one. It's going to go in the corner. So this is my final eyeshadow look. I'm really happy with it. I love the colours, they blend so well, they last all day, and this is why I've added eyeshadow to kind of my appreciation. This is definitely one of the eyeshadows that I reach for constantly. Let me know in the comments of what's your favourite eyeshadow from Revolution. I would love to know and see what you guys think. If this is one of your favourites, comment below as well. Well, thanks for watching today, guys. If you liked that video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, click that subscribe button. It is just below. And I hope you guys have a lovely day.